Hi there, this is the f sound, as in the words for, from, and find. The f sound is a sound from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiceless labiodental fricative. This means that you create friction between the bottom lip and the top teeth. The f sound is made through the mouth and it's unvoiced, which means that you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the position of your lips and teeth, and it's a fricative, which is a sound that is produced by a high pressure airflow between a narrow space in the mouth. In this case, it's between the bottom lip and the teeth. To produce the sound, press your top teeth on your bottom lip and force air out through your teeth. The sound is normally spelled with the letter F, as in the words father and often. But it can also be spelled with the letters PH, as in the word phone, or the letters GH, as in the word enough. Here are some words that begin with the f sound. Family, fact, friend, and follow. Here are some words with the f sound in the middle. Before, different, information, and office. And here are some words with the f sound at the end. Off, self, tough, and staff. So that's it for the f sound. But we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds: vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the phonetic chart as a whole. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video to this, with lots of examples and an explanation of how to produce that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.